Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to solve Bandit Level 0 to Level 1 from OverTheWire Bandit. This challenge is perfect for beginners who want to learn Linux basics, SSH, file reading, beginner ethical hacking skills. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to connect to a remote Linux server and retrieve the password for the next level. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Bandit website. First, open the official Bandit website, OverTheWire Bandit official website. Here you'll find hostname, port number, username, password. For level 0, username is Bandit0, password is Bandit0. We'll use these credentials to connect through SSH. Step 2. Open terminal. Now open your terminal. You can use Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Parrot OS. I'm using Kali Linux for this tutorial. Step 3. Connect using SSH. Now type this command, ssh bandit0 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org -p2220. Let's understand this command quickly. SSH means Secure Shell Bandit0 is the username connects the user to the server. Bandit.labs.overthewire.org is the host name. -2220 specifies the port number. Press enter. Now step 4, accept fingerprint. If you connect for the first time, you may see, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Type yes and press enter. This simply saves the server fingerprint on your machine. Step 5. Enter password. Now enter the password, Bandit0. Important tip for beginners, Linux terminals do not show passwords while typing, so just type the password normally and press enter. Step 6. List files. Now we are logged into the Bandit machine. To see files in the current directory, type ls. You'll see a file called readme. The ls command means list directory contents. Step 7. Read the file. Now let's read the file. Type cat readme. The cat command displays file contents. After running it, you'll see the password for level 1. Copy that password carefully. Now step 8. Log into Bandit level 1. Now disconnect or open another terminal window. Log in using ssh bandit1 bandit.labs.overthewire.org p2220. Paste the password you just found. And congratulations, you solved Bandit level 01. In this level, we learned how SSH works, how to connect to remote Linux systems, how to list files, how to read files using cat. These are foundational Linux skills used in ethical hacking, penetration testing, cybersecurity, bug bounty hunting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. And in the next video, we'll solve Bandit level 1 too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.